Friends, in the last class we discussed about our food and what are the ingredients used in the food items, our favorite food items contains. That all we already discussed in the last class. Now coming to the next, that is today one of the main important topic is that is let us cook. We have different favorite food items. We should learn how to cook our important or favorite food items. Today I am going to show you one new recipe. I am going to show you one recipe that is which is all favorite food items, that is mixed fruit custard. Mixed fruits custard. In the last class we discussed that ingredients. Here ingredients: half liter of milk, 100 grams of sugar, 2 spoons of vanilla flavored custard powder, fruits of your choice according to seasonal varieties. Here this is custard powder. This is custard powder. This is custard powder. 2 spoons of vanilla flavored custard powder we must take. 100 grams of sugar. Seasonal fruits you can take, or fruits your choice. Your favorite fruits you have, that fruits also you can take. Here I am taking mango, banana. This is pomegranate which I took from my home garden. Apples, grapes, black grapes are available here. With these ingredients I want to show the recipe, that is fruits custard. First of all, procedure. First, take a small bowl and add 2 spoons of vanilla custard powder and add 3 tablespoons of milk and make a smooth paste. While making a smooth paste, you must keep one thing in your mind, that no lumps should be in that paste, and keep aside. Just slightly warm the milk, half liter milk. We already took the half liter milk. To that milk, after the milk is boiled, and add 100 grams of sugar to that and stir it well until the sugar dissolves. After that, add the custard powder to this. The custard smooth paste already we make and put aside. That custard powder, mix it in this boiled milk. Keep on a low flame and stirring till the milk begins to thicken. Turn off the flame and allow the custard to cool. Later add fruits, mix well, chill the fruit custard and serve it later. This is the procedure for making fruits custard. Show you the main difference between the condiments and dry fruits. What are condiments and what are dry fruits? Let me show. This is bay leaf. This is bay leaf, and these are ilachi. And this is cinnamon. This is cinnamon, and these are called as cloves. These are called as cloves. These all together, which we are using in the ingredients. These ingredients all together called as condiments or fragrant materials or sugandha dravyalu. And next, coming to what are these? This is badam, cashew, kismis. All together is called as dry fruits. This makes the condiments and the dry fruits makes the food more delicious. Makes the food more delicious by adding these items, or by adding the condiments or the fragrant materials or the sugandha dravyalu. By adding it to the rice, it makes a biryani, and it is very tasty, and it is our favorite food. These are called as dry fruits, which we use it more in sweets. By adding this, the sweets are more delicious. These are called as condiments, and these are called as dry fruits. Let us see how we are preserving the food items. What is preservations? Preservation means preservatives are natural or man-made chemicals that are added to foods to stop them from spoiling. That means which are spoiled, which are microorganisms which are going to spoil the food items. The preservatives store it up to 1 year. For example, if you see the pickles we can store the pickles up to 1 year. Why? What are the ingredients make the pickles to store up to 1 year? By adding salt, by adding oil, All these items make the pickles to store up to 1 year. For example, smoking fish and meats over burning food are also methods of preservatives. These are all used in the preservatives. Next, sugar syrup, honey are the best sources of preservatives. In these, so that only jams we can store the jam, kisan jams or fruit jams, we can store up to 1 year or 6 months. On the back side of that packing, we can see that it can be stored up to 1 year or 6 months. These are the preservatives. By adding salt, chili powder and oil, we make the pickles which can store up to 1 year. By adding only salt, like fishes or mangoes, we can store up to 1 year. By drying fishes, we can dry the fishes to make the fishes up to store up to 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. Next, one of the main important, when somebody is giving you your favorite delicious food item, on that they decorate items like fruits and vegetables. They make some designs with the fruits and vegetables. The designs which is made by the fruits and vegetables, that is called carving. What is carving? Preparation of food using vegetables and fruits is an art. Some people make different types of designs and decorations with vegetables. This is called as carving. This is all about. In the next class, our next lesson will be continued. First lesson is completed up to this.